pangalan mo, age, and your favorite character.
Good afternoon. My name is Nick.
How old are you?
One.
Ang pangalan daw niya ay Nick. He is 4 years old. What is your favorite character? Superman? Batman? SpongeBob? What is your favorite character? Sino wala mo attenda? Ano?
Yes. You stand up.
SpongeBob? Ben 10? Si Superman ba?
Ben 10.
Ben 10. O, palakpakan natin niya si Mick. Thank you, Mick. O, balik ka na sa upuan mo. Kids, you can